Welcome back to another Dollar Tree review. Today we're going to be reviewing the Assured 3-blade razor system, and this is $1.25 at your local Dollar Tree. I love this packaging opposed to the cardboard packaging. To me, this looks more stylish, more expensive in this Ziploc packaging. In this system, you get one razor handle and 3 blade cartridges, a lubricating strip on the cartridges. There is a soft pink razor handle with rubber grips. I like that it does come with the extra heads. I mean, this is new for Dollar Tree. It's easy to change the razor heads. It has a pivoting head. I used this and I'm super impressed. It has a smooth, close shave. Had no nicks, no cuts, no razor burn using this. And I dry shave with conditioner, and I don't have sensitive skin. Thought I would throw that in there. It's definitely worth the $1.25. It's definitely worth giving a try. Hands down, this is one of the best razors I've ever tried from Dollar Tree. It's the best quality of all the Dollar Tree razors that I've tried. It's not a cheap razor. It's like the other ones that I've tried from the Dollar Tree. They feel jagged and rough metal, but not this razor. And it performs above and beyond. This is a great value for your $1.25, and it was a great shave. That is my review on the Assured Women's System razor. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, found it helpful. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree reviews. There will be a playlist and other links in the description box below, as well as in the cards. And I thank you guys so very much for watching.